The Cooking with Jack Show.
Alright guys, well, I'm in my studio. I was going to do an experiment and not even film it. I was just going to try something out. So I thought, well, why not film it? So we're going to show you right now. I got a bunch of turkey parts. Normally, I deep fry in seed oil. That was last year. This year is butter, bacon grease, that kind of stuff. So I picked up a big tub of bacon grease. And I got some seasoning and turkey parts. So we're going to see, what does turkey taste like deep fried in bacon grease? Let's check it out. And you get to join me to find out. All right, I want to show you guys and warn you about this. So I bought this package. It's a butterball turkey breast. And no lie, half the bag was this gravy liquid BS. The other half was the turkey breast. So I thought I got twice as big of a breast, but it looks like a lot of it was packaged with that gravy packet in it. So just a warning, if you're gonna buy butterball turkey breast, there's a gravy packet in there that makes it look like it's bigger than it is. Okay guys, so I have the turkey parts here, got some legs, got some wings, got turkey breast. Looks like they already seasoned it, but I'm gonna season it some more. It's in a little netted bag, which I don't care, I can deep fry in that. But that's about it. Maybe I should take the bag off. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the bag off, hang on. Before we season, I wanna talk about the seasoning. I am using holy garlic from Fire and Smoke, and I'm using the onion butter all-purpose blend. We're gonna do the whole thing, so let me work on that, seasoning it, and then we'll get to the next step. Okay guys, got it all seasoned. Looking pretty good. We also got some turkey necks, seasoned those, 2 packets of those. So now let's get our tub of bacon grease. We're gonna heat it up and get it nice and hot, and then we're gonna submerge the chicken till done. Okay guys, we're using Bacon Up. It's triple filtered. It's beautiful. It's super slick, like satin. Okay? So if you ever get this at the store, it's gonna feel really good on your fingertips. Great to cook with. There you go. We got a small one, but this big one ought to be enough. So let's put that in. Okay, there you go. You can see everything's melting nicely. We're gonna submerge the turkey and cook it all up in this and see how it comes out. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you the first drop. We're gonna take one of these breasts and drop it in. The breast was kind of in different parts. Okay guys, when I say this looks beautiful, this looks beautiful. That cooked a little bit too much, probably because it was a small piece of meat. That took a while to cook because it was all turkey breast. The wings cooked fast. The necks cooked. I'm just blown away. I hope it tastes good. I can't imagine it not tasting good with a hint of bacon. So let's give this a try. Okay. First off, the seasoning is amazing. Perfect. Okay, guys. I'll probably have this for Christmas dinner. You can do this next year for Thanksgiving. Hope you had a good holiday. And we got more on your way. Another chili. I love you. And I'm going to go have dinner. I'll see you in the next video.